want to keep this Dabolim Premier League also at that level. It should not fall apart what the constituency has been developing today. So Dabolim Premier League 2.0 will be a greater, it will have more success than its first edition. I like to congratulate all the owners who have come forward and took part in this Dabolim Premier League 2.0, plus the effort taken by all our Dabolim youth, all boys who have organized such a beautiful event at that level. So let's see on 25th, 26th, this tournament will be organized.
I would say a very prestigious youth cricket tournament being organized in Dabolim, and this is the second time they are organizing. That's why it's called 2.0. 2 years, it's for reasons, COVID and other reasons, it could not be organized. But this is a beautiful tournament where youth from everywhere, all over Dabolim, all over Murmungaon, come together, and they have something in a very professional manner, auctioning of the players, and they buy the players just as it happens in the professional big tournaments. So it's a very happy situation where people compete to get good players with the passion to win. So the best in the players come out, and it is through such tournaments that the spirit of sportsmanship is taken to a newer heights. The spirit of competition and to be the best is taken to a different level altogether. So I compliment the organizers, the Dabolim Premier League organizers, particularly the Sarpanch of Chikalim, Mr. Kamla Prasad Yadav, who is behind all this, Rajesh Bandavdekar, as well as Kattimani Arjun, who have been responsible for organizing this, and equally passionate support from everybody around, whether it is Sankalp Male from Bogmalo, whether it is Ashwarya Korgaonkar from the Panchayat itself. Everybody has been trying to support. The team owners, I compliment them because they all came forward. They will be looking after their players and getting something best out of them. This is what is required for sports. And not to forget the contribution of Brahma Pawar, who is not only a team owner, I should say he is the driving force of all youth in the constituency, along with Amay Sel. These are the people who drive them to do something better than what they did the last time around.